Alright then, hello guys. Today we're going to be doing another PicoCTF challenge, and the challenge we're going to be doing today is going to be called piece by piece. So it says, after logging in, you'll find multiple parts in your home directory. These parts need to be combined and extracted to reveal the flag. Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So we launch our challenge instance, and then we look at, oh, there's no hints. So you just got to wait for the challenge instance to load up, and it says they gave us something to SSH to, and which user to sign in as, and then I guess user and password. So I think you could just do SSH/P and then put the port, which is 60035, and then we could put CTF player, and then you could put like @ and then that specific value right there, and maybe you could put the password. I'm not sure, but I'm not even sure this works. And then yes, and then we put in the password, which we find right here, copy and then paste it, and then we're in. So type ls, and we got 1 2 3 4 5 parts, it looks like. So we'll cat instructions.txt. It says the flag is split into multiple parts as a zip file. Use Linux commands to combine the parts into one file. The zip file is password protected. Use the super secret password to extract the zip file. After unzipping, check the extracted text file for the flag. So you have to combine these files. So how do we do this? So it's nothing too hard. So the command we're going to be using is called cat, and then we're going to put part. And we all see that every one of these have a very similar format, which is part and then two characters at the end. So what we could do is do cats and then put a star at the end, so it could be a wildcard. So it could be any type of file that, but it just has to match the beginning. So if we do this, we see all 4 parts be like printed out. So now, because if we check just cats parts A, that's only going to show the first part. Yeah, this part right here, and then after that, if we do the next one, I'll probably just show this part and then this part. It's all broken up, all these, but we combine it with this. So now we're able to do that cat part. Next, we want to be able to do is pipe it into a file. So we could put the output into a file called part.zip. So now if we do this, we see a file called part.zip, which contains all 4 of them combined. It cats out all the content and combines all 4 of them and sends that data to part.zip. And now part.zip should be a zip file. So we type file part.zip. It says it's a zip archive. So now we can just do, I think, unzip part.zip. We might need to put like a password field, but we'll just check it like that. It says entered a password, and from here on we could just copy the super secret password that they mentioned right here. So paste that right there, and then we get extracted flag.txt. So now if we type ls, we see flag.txt right exactly right there in our directory. So now if we just cat flag.txt, we get the flag needed to solve this challenge. So now if we just copy this, and after that just paste inside here, we should see submitted. So yeah, solve the challenge. Pretty fun challenge, pretty, I guess, cool challenge, I guess. Very fun for beginners. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.